Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use text effects in Photoshop. Let's start by setting up our canvas. Open Photoshop and create a new document by clicking File and then New. Choose your desired dimensions and resolution, then hit Create. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar on the left or press T on your keyboard. Click on your canvas to create a text box. Type your desired text and you'll see it appear on the screen. To modify your text, you can change its font, size, color, and alignment using the options in the top toolbar. To resize or move the text, simply use the Move tool or press V on your keyboard to drag the text. Press Ctrl-T and adjust the handles to resize it according to your needs. Press Enter to finalize the size. For added flair, apply text effects using layer styles. Double-click your text layer and the Layer Styles window will appear. This allows you to add shadows, bevels, and more. To keep your design organized, create separate text layers for different elements. Click on the New Layer button and add more text as needed. Align your text by using the alignment tools. Select multiple text layers and then choose the desired alignment option from the top toolbar. Congratulations, you've learned how to use text effects in Photoshop. Now go ahead and get creative with your designs. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next video.